I could not say enough lovely things about the store. They're friendly, they are willing to help you. I've never seen anybody do what these people have done in such a short amount of time.
Hi, I'm Cheryl Neer with Repurposefully Yours. People always say their favorite part of the shop is we have unique items. There's something for everybody. And our specialty is repurposing furniture. The original concept when we opened the shop was repurposing and repairing and refinishing furniture. My husband has been refinishing furniture since he's been knee-high. So we started this business because we both have a love for refinishing furniture.
I started refinishing furniture when I was probably about 8 years old. My favorite part of the store is turning an old piece of furniture into something that looks brand new and repurposing it for somebody and, seeing their reaction on their face.
We sell Dixie Belle paint and products. Dixie Belle comes in over 70 different colors. It's non-toxic, easy cleanup, and fun to use. We also teach paint workshops. You can bring in your own piece of furniture, or you could go to our pick-and room and select one of our pieces and do a complete makeover and leave with a fabulous piece. We have a clothing boutique.
Truly Yours is a full-service boutique. We have outerwear, we have footwear, we have dresses, pants, sweaters, anything you need, we can help you.
I love having this boutique with my best friend, and it gives us an opportunity to work together. We've worked together off and on for over 30 years.
It's an awesome contribution to the community. We love when people come in here and shop, tell us how happy they are with our selections, and just the joy that it brings to be able to help people select their clothing. We offer personal shopping by drop-in or by appointment. Just let us know what your event is and we'll help you select the perfect outfit.
We have a Christmas room. It's all year round, which is a lot of fun. We have about 1,500 square feet of adorable Christmas items. One of my favorite things is this Christmas tree. It's over 15 feet tall. We have spruce, flocked, aluminum, and this one's another one of my favorites. It was my grandmother's, and it's a vintage fluffy tree. And of course, our buckeye tree, decorated with Brutus made out of a gourd. So this was the inspiration for the Christmas room. I woke up in the middle of the night about 3 in the morning with a idea, woke my husband up and said, honey, I have a great idea. Let's empty out the attic and make it a Christmas room. And 2 to 3 weeks later, the Christmas room was born. This area is special to me. It's a tribute to all those that have served. It has old love letters, maps, army cots, army trunks. It's inspired by some of the old movies and songs, I'll Be Home for Christmas, White Christmas, and It's a Wonderful Life. Please stop on by. We're open 7 days a week, or visit us on our website, repurposefullyyours.com.